This monitor light bar with remote control is a solid addition to any workspace, especially if you spend long hours in front of a screen. The standout feature here is the dual control system, touch and remote. The remote makes it incredibly convenient to adjust the lighting without having to reach up to your monitor, which is a nice touch if you're settled into work or gaming sessions. With 5 color temperature modes and stepless dimming, this light bar offers a lot of customization. You can easily shift from warm, relaxing tones to cooler, more focused light depending on your needs. Despite its bright output of 700 lumens, it's energy efficient, consuming just 4.5 watts of power. Another highlight is its design that eliminates screen glare and flicker, focusing light on your desktop and keyboard. This helps reduce eye strain, making it a great pick for late night work or extended gaming sessions. Installation is straightforward too, no tools needed, as it fits both flat and curved monitors up to 24 inches, saving a ton of desk space. If there's even a downside, it's that the remote control doesn't come with a battery, which might catch some folks off guard, but overall, the benefits outweigh this minor inconvenience. It's a versatile, easy to use solution that enhances your workspace without taking up valuable desk space.